Hi, I'll be doing the part 2 for lab page to show you that 1FS is connected to Mozilla. So this is our 1FS. As you could see, it's already connected. This is the IP address earlier that we were not able to connect because we were having a problem. And as you could see, these are the clusters I created. It's the IP address, the two, and it shows here in 1FS. 1FS is a parallel distributed file system used in Isilon as IQ storage. In here, you could manage your 1FS. You could do with the general setting. You could change the names, the email, the time. But if you open and set up that time, the date, so you could change the description here. You could write anything here. So you could also have the network configuration in the internal network. This is the range of our internal network. You could also have the an auditing as well. In auditing, you could enable configuration change in auditing or protocol access. We can create actually a protocol access as well. So in a thing, you could manage your file storage system here. Here you could also have a storage pools in the file system. So it has the the record. You could manage the pools as well as in here. You could also have a smart lock as well. You could activate the smart lock, but we'll not do it now. File system settings. We could enable the anyone who access the file in this storage. We could enable it so that there will be an access time tracking. We could also have a data protection by antivirus or the Sync IQ. Uh, with with one of us, it can handle many group group identities by the authentication, identity mapping, and authorization. So here in the protocol, in access, we could have the authentication by any authentication provider. But we'll not set this out now. I'll just show you. And the other one is the policies. We could set up the policies as well. If you could edit here, if the environment, it could be both Unix or Windows, so that any file from Windows can be opened by Unix, or any Unix uploaded from Unix could be opened by Windows. So you could change the settings here, whatever you want. You could have also the file sharing. You could change the HTTP settings. You could disable HTTP and redirect to 1FS administration, or you could enable HTTP or disable. Anything you want, you could change here in the dashboard. You gonna set up. Uh, with the use of the window sharing and the Unix sharing, we were able to open any files from each environment to open from a different environment. You could also have the link the to the big data. which is the loop setting. We can also set up this one, but I'll just not put the settings here now. I'll just gonna show you how the WebOS dashboard looks like. And just show you, this is the both IP address that we've created. We can actually add more because our range is from 100 to 110. But I'm just not gonna set up because I might have any error again. I cannot connect again to the to 1FS website. So that's it, and thank you. I will just upload the second video on YouTube. Thanks.